Dude, I'm trying to watch this. Seriously.
Hello? Hello?
Dear Journal, today my hiccups I love you. I love you. Dear Miss Sally, I'm so sick of my stupid hiccups. I wish someone would shoot me in the mouth.
Hey Josh, someone's on the phone for you.
Hello? What? Really? No way.
Yeah! Brian, you won't believe it! The Guinness Book of World Records called! They're gonna interview me about having the most hiccups ever!
Dude, that's awesome.
Man, this is the best thing that's ever happened to me. My hiccups aren't even gonna bug me anymore.
Hey dude, I think your hiccups are gone.
Well, shit!